This is section 5.3 and 4, 2 for 1 in this one. So here we're talking about the cuboid notch, which is an elevation, and the cuboid recess, which is a recess, obviously, or a hole. Okay, here you can delineate the diameter that you want the notch to be. So typically be circular, but we can do also square or different shapes. But if you tell us the diameter, not the radius, but the diameter of the notch and how high you want it from the dorsal surface of the device. Okay, ultimate variation here. Maximum allowable will be what we think that the device will hold. Of course, this will change the force return in that area as it relates to shell thickness and the shell material that you've used. So that's elevation. Cuboid recess is obviously the same. It goes from whatever the maximum is in regard to the shell thickness and takes it away. If this measure here is greater than the shell thickness that you've got, you'll start to end up with a hole. And again, you can delineate, alright, I wanted a massive cuboid recess here. Right. And there will be certain limits on these as we progress into the electronic submission pathway, but for now you'll be able to select what it is you want. Please remember you need the diameter of what you want plus how deep it is left and right. Okay, see you soon.